Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm making the video about an email just got from Google Ads that they are giving away the free ad credits to the small and medium business size people. So it's like a credit or gift from the Google Ads to run your ads and to manage your business. So in the mail, I just when I was checking my mail, they send me this mail that, dear advertiser, uh, we have applied and credit to your account. This is related to the COVID-19 announcement Google made at the end of the March. We know the business of all size have been facing unique challenges as a result of COVID-19, and we also understand that many of the business continue to rely on Google Ads to help them reach their circumstance. So after getting this mail, I don't even know that Google was giving us credit, um, and I was very surprised that they are giving credit. USA President Trump was giving some money to the people to run their daily life. So the Google is also helping the business, giving away the money. So so doing the further research, I I I find this article that Google is given 800 million to support a small business and crisis to response. And link I'm going to paste in my video so that you can read it out. And it's a great opportunity for you guys, because those who are doing the business for uh, like 1 years with the Google spending the ads, probably you should check Google also give you the credit which you can spend for your YouTube ads, for your Google ads, and Google Shopping ads. You can use everywhere. So also I went to the further study and found that in the Google ad helps that COVID-19 ad credit. What is the credit is about? Google ad credit for Google ad is small and medium size. Here they say they are giving 300. They were giving a SMB customer worldwide, and it's not for USA, and it's for worldwide. They are giving the people worldwide 340 million in ad credits. The 80 million they're giving away, but they're giving 340 million ad credit which can be used toward the future ad spend, which is great. So there's a frequently asked question. They also give, like, we have many question in our mind, so they have also frequently asked question, why is Google offering ad credit to a small and medium business? So they say that a small and medium sized business are the backbone of the community. So it's not about USA, I'm telling you guys, it's about India, it's about Bangladesh, it's about South Asia, it's about Europe, everywhere, everybody they're giving. They represent the 90% of the business and the more of the employment. So they're giving away because the small, medium enterprise, they are helping this is the backbone of the community, and many people are small, medium business owner, those who are running ads. So they're giving help, they're trying to help the people. Who is eligible for the ad credit? Small and medium-sized business globally who have spent with the Google ad account in 10 out of 12 months in 2009. So at this point to be noted, who have spent with a Google ad account in 10 out of 12 months of 2009, and in January and February of this year, from the January and the February of this year. So um, so this is a very big thing. So how do you identify small, medium-sized business? So so we have a global team that is specified, design the consultants. So they have a team, those who can really find out who are the small and medium-sized business. So they have people working around to find this business. So there is nothing to hide, and they know from your ad account how much you have spent, how big is your business. Can I apply for the credit? No, I have already read this. They said you no need to apply. It will be automatically add automatically add in your account. How do I know if I receive an ad credit? ad credit will be automatically applied to the eligible Google Ad account. So you don't have to apply for them, and you just have to check them in your ad in your Google Ads. So you need to check them. So I'm going to show you how to check, but I don't. They're saying me I need to. We are having problem with the Payoneer, so I can't add my credit card as it is a prepaid credit card. So that is the point as well. You can't add your prepaid credit card now to the Google AdWord. For that, you need a credit card, real credit card, and that can be make transaction from the bank, and you can add PayPal as well. So yeah. So the frequently is that why is Google applying credit in this space? Say the app infrastructure, so they're applying that we need to uh, do the business and everything's currencies, everything. uh, why, how much is the credit? So that is the point as well, how much they're giving. So they're giving like equivalent to $1,000. Like it can be more, that it can be more, it's more, it can be more than $1,000. So can I receive more than one credit? Each eligible will receive one credit. So they're giving each one, everybody, like if you're giving me once, it is applied for once. If applied for once. So you need to, you need to spend it right away. I need to find it right away. So this is a very important thing. If I'm eligible for the customer receiving the credit, where I will get a credit in amount, eligible customers see the apply credit promotion page. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can check. If I manage multiple manager account notification, in addition, admin of the manager that directly manage eligible will receive notification email after the credit auto applied. So user of manager account will eligible customer account or through manager receive the credit notification page in the manager. Okay, you can use it to the multiple account. If I'm using conservative billing, how I will see the credit card. So in the next billing cycle, you will see the credit that is applied reflected in your invoice. So in the next credit, you can see that. So I will add the credit, like this is important thing. I'm not going to read this thing. This is the credit feature Google Ad Spend. So this is for the future Google Ad Spend. So they are giving away, you can add it everywhere. You can add it to the YouTube display, including all platform of the Google. So this is a very good things. The how long is the credit last? That is also main thing. The credit is lasting up to the December 31st, December 2020. So guys, go ahead and grab your free credit given by the Google. You should check your mail. Even if you don't get the mail, maybe you're eligible. So check it like this. So you need to go to your ad, and you need to go to the tools. From the tools, to from the tool settings, you go to tool setting. From the tool setting into billing section, then you need to check in the promotion. So you guys, if you guys have added your billing already, so you can see in here somewhere they have given you credit. I can't show you the things because they are not taking my credit cards, because my credit card is prepaid. So hopefully the video will work with you. There is information I want to share with you. That's why I want to share with you. Maybe it can be beneficial from my video. So if you like my video, comments, like, and subscribe my channel. I'm gonna bring out the exclusive thing in front of you, which you can use in your freelancing sector, and you can use to boost your business. Thanks, and take care. Bye. Ciao. Stay safe.